Today is Friday, August 2nd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And yes, I'm still fighting off COVID. Took yesterday off, wasn't feeling so great. Symptoms are pretty mild, and thank you for everyone who wished me a get well soon via email. I am feeling better already. In fact, well enough that I'm giving you this forecast on this Friday morning. We do have some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the Great Lakes today with an area of low pressure moving out. So conditions will be improving. Most of this is moving east, so from west to east we'll see some clearing. 90 today out there in Minneapolis, almost 90 in Des Moines. We're well into the 80s and very humid for Cincinnati and Louisville, 95 in Memphis, 94 in Nashville. That's just what the thermometer says. You factor in that humidity and it feels, of course, quite a bit hotter. We are going to see temperatures in the Midwest and the Great Lakes warming this weekend into the upper 80s for Detroit, and you'll see the same thing for Chicago. But notice next week a bit of a cooler weather pattern will take hold. So it is still hot this weekend in Chicago, but if you're not a fan, look ahead here to next week. Temperatures will be a lot more comfortable. It is hot in the southeast. DC, you're going to be closing in on 100 degrees. That is dangerous heat. When you factor in the humidity, the heat index value is up there between 105 and maybe even 110 in some spots. We got low 90s along the coast, mid 90s Charlotte to Atlanta, mid 90s also in New Orleans, 105 today in Dallas, and 90s down the Florida Peninsula. A little stormy here in the southeast down the Florida Peninsula this afternoon. Going to stay in the 90s in the southeast, at least near 90 through the weekend and into early next week. I don't expect that to change very much. We got some showers and storms that'll get developed this afternoon and then drying out as we head into this evening for Fort Lauderdale. I expect that as we go forward here through the weekend, that's not going to change. Your afternoon daily showers and thunderstorms probably likely at least in the foreseeable future. It's now August. I was going to say July here for a second, but same old here. Florida doing what it does. That is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.